Welcome to Duara, ocean view villas and condos blending luxury with casual tropical living. Let's take a tour and find out how easy it is to get in. Step inside one of the spacious villas here at Duara and you'll be captivated by its sleek and contemporary architecture. Every detail meticulously designed to blend style with functionality. Imagine preparing gourmet meals in this stunning kitchen with high-end appliances, granite countertops, fine wood cabinetry, every inch finished to perfection. And what better way to relax than in your own living space, designed for both comfort and sophistication. Walk out onto your very own green space, great for entertaining, gardening, and a play area for kids and pets. Better yet, head up to your rooftop terrace for breathtaking views of the ocean and the famous Cabo landscape. Meanwhile, Duara condos offer unparalleled views. Enjoy from the spacious balconies or from the inside with the help of floor-to-ceiling windows, creating an indoor-outdoor vibe. Duara offers a wide range of amenities that cater to your every need, regardless of age or interest. Now the centerpiece or heart of the community is the Duara clubhouse. Here, you'll find a business center for remote professionals. There's volleyball and basketball courts, a kids club and playground, not to mention this fabulous pool and much more. And let's not forget the unbeatable location. Duara is just minutes away from world-class dining, shopping, and entertainment. El Tazal is a new residential community close to it all, including the conveniences of commercial hotspots. Come see why so many are choosing the Duara lifestyle in Cabo and learn how you can get in for less than $350,000 USD. Go to mexhome.com to make it happen.